Excellent. We waited outside for 3 hours before getting our rooms. It would be fair if you would notify your client when their rooms would be ready before their departure to the hotel so they will not wait outside for that long. Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel, a convenient and comfortable stay in Paris located in the vibrant city of Paris, France. Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel offers a convenient and comfortable stay for both business and leisure travelers. With its prime location and excellent amenities, this 2-star hotel is the perfect choice for those looking to explore the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Featuring 139 well-appointed rooms, Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel ensures a comfortable and relaxing stay for its guests. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern furnishings and amenities, providing a cozy retreat after a day of exploring the city. Whether you are traveling alone or with a group, you will find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. Check-in at Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel is from 12 p.m., allowing guests to start their Parisian adventure as soon as they arrive. The friendly and attentive staff will ensure a smooth check-in process, making you feel welcome from the moment you step foot into the hotel. Checkout is until 11 a.m., giving you ample time to enjoy a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this charming hotel. Please note that this hotel has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay, there may be extra charges involved. It is recommended to check with the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional fees that may apply. Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel strives to provide a comfortable and enjoyable stay for all guests, ensuring a memorable experience in the heart of Paris. Unwind and enjoy at the vibrant bar of Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel. At Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel, guests can indulge in a lively and vibrant bar experience that adds an extra touch of excitement to their stay. The hotel's bar offers a stylish and contemporary setting, perfect for socializing and unwinding after a long day of exploring the beautiful city of Paris. The bar at Premier Classe Paris Ouest Nanterre La Défense Hotel is fully stocked with an extensive selection of beverages, including a wide range of wines, spirits, cocktails, and non-alcoholic options. Whether you prefer a classic cocktail, a refreshing beer, or a glass of fine wine, the bar has something to suit every taste.